Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this peppermint ice cream. Now it's very simple to make, so keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. So the first thing we're going to do to make this is start out with a large bowl. Inside that bowl I'm going to put 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. All right, so once this forms stiff peaks, we're going to move on to the next step. Next, we're going to add 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract. This is some very powerful stuff, so you don't need a lot of it. Just fold that in. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is divide this up into 2 separate bowls. And the reason I'm going to do that is because we're going to color one of them red. And just to have the really colors of, festive colors of Christmas. So I'm going to divide it. It doesn't have to be exactly half. That's good, I think, right like that. So I'm going to keep this one white. And this one, I'm going to put some red food coloring in. So here's some red food coloring. And just fold this in until all that color has blended in nicely. Now we're going to bring in our freezer safe dish. And we're going to add both the white and the red to this, and you can do it any way you want. I'm going to just kind of put mostly white at the bottom. Then we'll add in the red and kind of swirl it around once it's all in there. Now we can dress this up a little bit before we put it in the freezer, so I'm going to move this aside just for a moment. And I just put a regular size candy cane in a plastic bag here. Zip it up, let all the air out first, and let's smash this into little bits. Take our smashed candy canes and kind of sprinkle it over the top. And I think 1 candy cane is plenty. I also have these peppermint chunks. This is just like white chocolate and peppermint flavor. And I'll kind of sprinkle that on there as well. Now we're just going to cover this up with some plastic wrap to prevent freezer burn. Make sure you push the plastic wrap all the way down into the ice cream. Put your lid on. Put it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours, or overnight's better. Now it's been about 7 hours. I'm pulling my peppermint ice cream out of the freezer. We're going to check it out and see how it looks. It looks amazing. Now we get to dish it out and taste it. Well, now it's time for the taste test. We're going to dig into our peppermint ice cream and see how it tastes. That's good. 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint is perfect for this recipe. If you put too much in it, it will overwhelm the recipe and it'll just be this really dark peppermint taste, but 1/2 teaspoon is perfect. Thanks for watching to see how to make this peppermint ice cream recipe. Now, check out this video right here. It is a Christmas video. You don't want to miss it. And until then, I'll see you next time. Now we get to dish it out and taste it. Next time, let's start. So you make this peppermint Christmas, to see how to make this peppermint ice cream video.